Welcome back to the channel. It's Friday, getting close to Friday evening here. Very busy at Toronto Pearson Airport. I'm over at National, and we're going to take a look at how many cars they have available. There's quite a few cars here. A lot of people showing up today with reservations. Just a quick reminder, everyone, go ahead, click that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed. And if you want to see more of these videos, go ahead and click that like button. All right, let's start things off. Premier selection. We've got a Mercedes A220 4MATIC. Followed up with a BMW 3 Series, sunroof on that, and then we've got one of these Mercedes SUVs here. Okay, we got a GLC 330 here. Let's just take a quick peek at this one. National Alamo Enterprise have a bunch of these here. Sorry, GLC 300, and this is another 4MATIC. And just take a quick look here. The interior, 2,000 kilometers on it. Well, these are pretty nice. And it's got the sunroof in the front. And the back, I'm not sure if you can see there, the back seat's folded down, so that would be certainly be a nice upgrade. And let's just continue on here. Over in the executive aisle, we've got a Ford Escape. Got a Mazda, probably a CX-9, and it's great to see these Explorers coming up in the aisle here. So the plates on this one are a little bit older, so it's probably got some miles on it. We got another Mazda. Is this a CX-5 or is this a... You know what, this almost looks like a CX-9. It's pretty large. Yep, CX-9. Why don't we just take a quick peek in here so you guys can see how much room there is in something like this. Great to see these larger SUVs showing up in the aisle here. Not sure if the mileage is going to come up. Probably not for us, but that's okay. And captain's chairs in the back, and another row in the back. And beside here, I think we got another Ford Escape. And lots of cars coming and going here. Try not to get run over. We've got a VW here. Looking at the plates, this looks a little bit newer. There's a lot of cars here, so I'm not going to be able to go through everything. Is this one... Just looking at the model. Okay, so this one's got about 26,000 on it. And let me try and get through... sorry, I'm kind of slowing down here. Got a Mazda, it's probably like a 3 Series sedan. We got a Hyundai. Got a Ford Escape. Oh, we got a Highlander in the aisle. And a RAV4 in the aisle. Well, that's pretty awesome. It's been a while since I've seen the... Or sorry, not a RAV4. 4Runner. Okay, this one's got about 15 on it. And do these... Oh, it's got tinted windows in the back, too. Do these have another row in the back? Let's see if we can take a look here. Oh, you know what? They do. They do. Yeah. And here's the 4Runner. Let's actually go around the other side here. Take a look at this 4Runner. This one, CW plates are... This has got to be pretty new. Might even be brand new, which could be why it's in the aisle here. 900 kilometers, so you know, a little over 500 miles. It's got a sunroof in it. This would be a lot of fun. Back seat. Kia SUV, we got a Ford Edge. If you're looking for an SUV, lots of choices today. Got a Hyundai Santa Fe. And we got a couple of those larger Ford SUVs down at the end. Again, those at the end are in reserve. We got a minivan over there. Here's the other side of that Santa Fe. Geez, there's another 4Runner over here. Let's go through the rest of the aisle. A busy Friday here, lots of cars coming and going. My guess is this one's probably pretty new. Looking at the plates, probably pretty new as well. And we got a Ford Escape, we got a Mitsubishi SUV, we got another VW here. Got a RAV4. What is this VW? I think this is the R line. Oh, it's a Taos. T-A-O-S. I'll have to remember that. Let's take a quick peek in here. Oh, we got some traffic here. We got a Camry coming in. There's another Explorer over here. Sorry guys, we got, like I said, lots of cars coming and going. They're pretty busy here. And we got a Ford Edge there, another Ford Edge, Camry. A couple more Ford SUVs. Actually, a couple Camrys here. Oh, you know what, this one, somebody was asking, and I think I said I hadn't seen a new Camry recently, but this one, looking at the plates, this one might be fairly new. Over here at National, maybe not, 19,000 kilometers on it. And I'll quickly go down the other side here. We got a VW, Mitsubishi SUV, we got a Malibu, another VW. Somebody's taking that Ford Edge. We got a Corolla. Got a smaller Kia here. And we'll just quickly go down the other side here. Got GMC, Ford Escape, and got another Highlander and Ford Edge. Okay, well, we'll pick things up either over at Alamo or Enterprise, and we'll do a tour through the rest of that. Okay, we're over at Enterprise. This is some of their upgrades. They park over here. So we got a Volvo wagon. Looks like a V60 wagon. We got one of these 4Runners. Ford Explorer. And we got a 5-liter Mustang hardtop and an EcoBoost Mustang convertible. We got a Jeep Wrangler. This looks like maybe a Santa Fe over here. And it's just kind of, Enterprise doesn't have as many cars set aside. But they've got a Jeep, a couple of Jeeps here, Jeep Wrangler. Sahara, we got a smaller compact coming in here. Corolla. Mazda, I'm guessing that's a CX-5. Kia SUV, and is that a Santa? I think this is a Santa Fe. I always get these mixed up. Yes. Santa Fe is a VW down there. We got one of those large Ford SUVs, a Mitsubishi. And we got another Rubicon Gladiator. I'm starting to see a few more of these in Toronto. Let's see if any of these are, well, this one's looking kind of Rubicon. Okay, a little bit newer, 5,000 on it. It's got the nice red two-tone interior. And we just got a couple more here, then we'll scoot on over to the reserve section over by Alamo, and we'll take a look over there. Got a couple Ford Edge, got another Mazda, maybe a smaller 3 Series here, and we got the large Ford SUV down here. Okay, let's take a look at some of the reserve over at Alamo here. We got the Grand Cherokee. And is this, I don't think this is an L. Let's take a look. Oh, we got next two, we'll get to that, as long as I don't forget. Okay, it's a limited, it's not an L. No, just a regular Grand Cherokee. I'm guessing these are all pretty new still. Oh, interesting, limited, no sunroof on it. 9,000 kilometers, so about 6,000 miles on it. What else we got over here? We got a BMW SUV. We got another of these Mercedes. We got the Volvo Polestar, all electric. Try not to forget there's a couple more Volvos over there. Chevy Colorado. Dodge Ram, 1500 Hemi. And we got a couple Jeep Wranglers, Saharas down here at the end. A bunch of cars in the overflow there. GMC Yukon, this actually looks pretty new. So the large SUVs are coming in. Still haven't seen the Escalade. Or the Lincoln Navigators, the new ones here. Oh yeah, this has got to be pretty new. Fairly new, 10,000 on it. And you can see they got lots of cars lined up here for the reservations. We got another almost said Expedition Max Limited. Oh, flat tire, don't want that one. That's why the wipers are up. They must have just got a bunch of 4Runners. There's another one. Got another Rubicon, Expedition, a couple more Wranglers, and a Dodge Durango Hemi RT just rolled in. And why don't I just take it quickly over to Alamo. We'll wrap things up here. Just a quick reminder, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Click that like button if you want to see more of these videos, and we'll just wrap up with a couple more cars in Alamo Reserve. We got a small 2 Series BMW. We got a Mazda, wow, I don't see this very often, Mazda 6 Series. Yeah, it's definitely a dealer car. It's got the gyro license plates on it. I'm just curious what the mileage is on this here. I don't know if it's going to come up in the Mazda, but I'm guessing this has a few miles on it. We got another Volvo S60, Mercedes 220, and we're just going to wrap things up here with a Mustang convertible. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, it's just about an hour later. I thought I'd give you a quick update because they're really refreshing the cars here pretty quickly over at National. We've got another of these Chrysler 300s. Pretty new plates on this, sunroof, and I do like this two-tone interior with the red, is quite nice. This one's got about 9,000 on it. We got a RAV4 coming through here. I'll just do a quick little bonus footage for you guys here. Ford Edge, Explorer, Santa Fe, a couple more RAV4s. Got another Chrysler 300 here. Great to see these. Seems like National's getting them all with a sunroof, which is nice. Oh, this one's got the spoiler on it too. Yeah. Very nice. If I wasn't picking up a convertible today, this would have my name all over it. And just kind of wrap things up here, see if anything else new came in. But just wanted to show you guys National's doing a great job of keeping cars coming in here at Toronto. Steady flow of them coming in from the car wash. And I think I'm going to wrap it up this time here, unless there's something new over here. Actually, there was briefly a Nissan Maxima, but it went out pretty fast. Burgundy color. And all right, I'm going to wrap things up again here. All right, thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.